Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and this is an 18 by 24 inch canvas, an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula, and a now dry, pre-primed white canvas with a few spatters on it, but I don't think it matters very much. The other day I did a jungle theme or a jungle plant theme, and no schmutz. I apologize for turning this sideways for you guys because I know you can't see it all, but I've got to start somewhere. That is the color shifting folk art paint that I don't like until I see it dry. This is Anita's white metallic with some hot pink in it. I'm just going to keep using colors until I get ready to swipe. This is a neon pink from folk art. This is a magenta from Golden. This is a dazzling red from Decor, I believe. Definitely think I'm going to need some purple. I'm not sure what this is. It's old and iridescent. This is a color shifting orange, red orange from Folk Art. This is my hot orchid that I have a little stash of. That's a prism pour from Color Art. They have a beautiful color I'll show you in a second that helps me get over the loss of this. I don't think they make this anymore. You might want to check. I probably have a coupon code for at least 10% off starting very soon. Okay, this is the pink diamond. My purple won't open, so yeah, no, that's perfect. Can't get enough of that. I have a little bit of fiery red left. I'm going to go back again and use a little bit more of the red. And some of this purple flash from Folk Art. And if I need a dark, I'll pull in whichever color strikes my fancy at the time. I think I'm going to throw a little bit of gold in there. And then I'm just going to start to fill in. I might take my color and knock it over the edge. I'm for sure going to go back with whatever colors are on my spatula and use them. Now maybe, hopefully in fact, I'll be able to use my toothy tools, which are nothing more than spatula, silicone or plastic spatula heads. That does not belong. I'm going to have to drag very carefully over the center section where the stretcher bar is, because otherwise it leaves an indentation and I do not care for it. I kind of miss the white, but I think what that means is I might want to grab some of my Anita's white metallic and use it afterwards. I was afraid to use it beforehand because I found that I always wind up digging down to it. Looks like my red has an issue. But I could have left any amount of white showing and it would have been not a problem because I pre-primed the canvas. I'm quiet because I'm focused. I want some of that magenta up there. I might even want it with a little bit of that Anita's white metallic and the pink diamond. Maybe not a lot. Let's turn this around the other way so I can see what I'm doing. I like the idea that this might be feathers or something similar. It's certainly not plants this time, unless it's some really raucous flowers. to keep my fingernails out of the deal. I'm going to try a little bit of Anita's. Yeah, I like that. Do some Anita's. Some more Folk Art Color Shifting Purple. Knocking off my spatula paint on the edges so it can drip down, so I can fill it in. I think I'm going to use a little more of that color shifting red orange from Folk Art. And that might be the thing, the ticket right there. I like that color. Yeah. There's always one slight color at the end. Oh, I found a thing that does not belong. That I just use as an accent. Just gonna keep. I got one more bottle coming. That means I'm almost drained, which means it's almost time to clean the bottle out so I can use it again. Sometimes it works, more often than not, but it's a fair amount of effort and days of soaking. So if you're thinking about doing it, think twice. Well, I wasn't expecting that, but that's okay. Now I have to decide. There's my magenta. I think I'm going to do that again. Or a bunch of things again before I scrape. If I scrape at all, we'll see. I don't know if I used any amethyst before or not, but I think it's time to find out if I like it or not. If I don't, I'm okay with that. Got some beautiful colors, and I love the effect of pulling through the spatula. As long as you don't put anything that's going to really muck up your colors, you're going to be pretty satisfied, I would expect. I really think often that the color shifting colors and the metallics, they don't muck up like regular non-metallics do. Unless I go too much further, in which case that could be the case. Time to be careful. Just use the tip of my spatula. See if I can find some place to start my process. I kind of want to use all that color that's on my spatula right on the edge before wiping it off. There, one edge is covered. That's good. Let's try my tools. I keep trying to find new ways to do things. I really want something much darker. Right in there. Right there. Wow. I think I'm going to do it again. That was a dioxazine purple. And that is alright, so I don't know if there'll be a stage 2, but right at the moment I'm not disliking any of that, and I'm inclined to just keep on playing a little bit longer. Make some marks. That I like. I wasn't sure I was going to like that, but I do. Well, if they're supposed to look like feathers, they're sort of kind of getting there. I haven't quite gotten used to the white being scraped through in the background yet. But I'm having a good time. I hope you guys are too. If you like what I do, please give me a thumbs up. I think that's done. I'm not sure about this over here. Yeah, now it's done. I lie. There we go. Okay, thank you guys for joining me again. And thank you for the donations that help keep me painting all this time. And thank you for the comments that keep my morale boosted. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much for being here. I'm here 7 days a week at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you guys are looking for more videos, I have over 2,200 of them. They're organized by topic and genre and by the 100. And if you can't find them by going to my YouTube channel, clicking on playlists, all playlists, created playlists, you can ask me for what you're after because I have them all organized myself. I'm trying to turn this so I have a chance to cover my edges with the paint that I've got left over. I do like this. I'm very satisfied that I did the best I could under the circumstances. I love you guys. I hope you check my link tree. It's almost Christmas at this point in time, and my Legallerist, my Society 6, my Pixels.com, Fine Art America are all really interesting places to go and hang out and check out the goods. It's got all of my designs on them, and I'm very, very proud to say that I'm very, very proud with how that's worked out. I know I'm still focused on trying to finish my edges. And whatever else I have to do, I will finish afterwards. Although I say that and then I continue. So please give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. I would really appreciate it. When you watch longer, you help me out. I forgot I could put the edge of the spatula in. Oh, that's good. Yeah, I'm happy. I've got 2 minutes and I don't need all of them. I don't need all of them to tell you guys that I love you. I hope you keep coming back. If you're looking for my paint pouring recipe, it is underneath the video, underneath Show More. Also under Show More, you're going to find my email address under the link tree. If you are interested in taking a class with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, or potentially buying an artwork and you want information about that, just use my email. I'll get right back to you. Believe me, I will. There is a monthly drawing. You can see the prizes for the monthly drawing on the end screen video of this video. It's an exhibition video. And the prizes are included at the beginning. You can find the PayPal link on my link tree, or the icon on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. I want some of this right there. Perfect. Well, close. Got what I wanted anyway. For the most part. Alright, I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I'm sorry I'm so distracted. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. If you have questions, did I mention you should ask me? My 2 books are on my Amazon link. If you shop there, it's at no added cost to you, and it helps me out, and I really appreciate it. So thank you for shopping my Amazon link. My 2 books are Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. There are 4 lists on my Amazon link, and they're all awesome. I will talk to you guys anon. There's not much in the way of close-ups for cells, because I wasn't looking for cells. But I'm loving learning how to use my tools. And I'm loving you guys. I'm so glad you're here. You inspire the heck out of me. Thank you so much for being here. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Hoping I can turn the light on in time for you to see. Yay! There we go. Bye for now. Priscilla out.